3 vending machine packs. Let's see if we can get a hit, huh? Stop returning.
No.
Awesome. Second pack. Really want this now with SIR. That'd be so sick. Oh, I think I see something back there. There's definitely some texture maybe. Let's see. So we got. No, I was wrong. Thought I saw the edge of something. Last pack magic, okay. Oh, nice. There we go. Full out trainer. Don't have that one. That's cool. Always great to get a hit, right? Do you see? I always like the texture in these new full arts. Looks awesome. Alright, cool. Yeah. Pokebar bar out.